is the proud person in the Bible. For examples of pride in the Bible are plentiful. However, there are three general characteristics that are described in the Bible for these prideful and arrogant people. So there is one person who stands out as an example of pride in the Bible. That is King Nebuchadnezzar. Ano yung sinabi niya na ang ganda ng kanyang ginawa. Sabi niya, ang ganda ang ginawa ko dito sa Babylonia. Sa time din na yon, ibinaba siya ng Panginoon. Ginawa siyang katulad ng hayop. No? Kaya nagkaroon siya ng mahabang buhok, mahabang balbas, mahabang kilay, mahabang kuko, at kumain siya ng damo. Ayan. Siya yung isa sa karakter ng Bible kung paano siya ay naging proud siya sa kanyang sarili at ibinaba siya ng Diyos. So does God humble the proud? So one of the strongest message in all the Bible is the truth that God resists the proud, no? But gives grace to the humble. It is a message so important that it appears 3 times in scriptures. First in Proverbs 3:34 and then twice repeated in New Testament by James and Peter. Yan. Okay, so ano pa? When God opposes the proud but shows favor to the humble. And Proverbs, marami dito sa Proverbs about this, no? The Lord resists the proud but He gives grace to the humble. And the wise shall inherit glory, but the ungodly have exalted dishonor. Ayan. How to not be proud according to the Bible. Prayer is the posture. So ang posture of prayer, pagluhod mo sa Panginoon ay isang uri ng pagpapakumbaba. That is of humility towards God. So when pride is knocking at your door, answer it with prayer. Ask Him to humble you, ask Him to search your heart and reveal where you have let pride take over, and ask that He would, through His power, help you destroy the grip of pride in your life. Amen. Okay. So where in the Bible does it say God is proud of you? In 2 Corinthians 7:2 and 4. This is the message of Apostle Paul. I told you earlier that I'm with you all the way, no matter what. I have in fact the greatest confidence in you. If only you knew how proud I am of you. Sinabi niya, if only you knew how proud I am of you. I am overwhelmed with joy despite all our troubles. Sa kabila ng maraming trouble, ay proud si Apostle Pablo na binanggit niya yun sa mga taga-Korinto. No? At ang proud na ito ay hindi po yung proud na pagmamayabang niya self, yung parang itinataas niya yung sarili. Kasi ito ay gawain sa Panginoon sa panahon ng trouble, no? Yan. So, can you proud without being prideful? Can you be proud without being prideful? So, when you accomplish something and feel really good about it, that is pride. That is not pride daw. Sabi nun sa ibang nakita ko, it's delight. Being proud of, prideful about your work means that you need everyone to know that you did it. You delight is not in the work itself, but in the recognition from others that you hope your work will bring. Yan. Okay.